So I've already fixed the other side of the handle. So this is how the handle to look like. So now we need to close the sides. So before we close it up, we have to install the zip head. So we get our zip head. Just put it inside. This type of zip head will not give you problem. So because it's just the normal big size, unlike the regular small zip. Just make sure that the two ends are equal. Let no one be longer than the other. And you're good to go. You will know through the opening here, you can see it. If it's not equal, you can arrange it. So I've gone ahead to install the zip. So this is it. So the next thing now is to close it up. So you get the two warmer, just put it, let it align with each other. And you pin it down. Do the same for the other side. Push in the handle. So now we are going to sew this end. With half inch sewing allowance.